Okay, so welcome to Mathstoria, and let's have this topic, the antiderivative. So we have this given, evaluate the integral of 7x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 3. So to find the antiderivative, since the integral of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1, so plus 1 for the exponent, then over n plus 1, then plus c. So using this formula to find the antiderivative of this given, but first we need to rewrite this given. So we need to put this constant outside. So we have 7, then the integral of x to the power 3, then the dx, minus, so put this constant outside, x to the power 2 dx, plus 4, then the integral of x dx, then plus 3, then the integral of the dx. Then using this formula, so plus 1 for the exponent, so we have 7 then times x to the power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Then minus 2 times x to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Then plus 4 times x, so we have this exponent 1. So 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Then plus 3 times, so the integral of dx is equal to x. So we have 3 times x, then plus c. Then simplify, so we have 7 times x to the power 4 over 4 minus 2 times x to the power 3 over 3 plus 4 times x to the power 2 over 2 plus 3x, then plus c. Then we have now this 7 over 4, x to the power 4, then minus 2 over 3, x to the power 3, then plus, so this 4 divided by 2, that's 2, x to the power 2, plus 3x, plus c. So this is now the antiderivative of this integral. Then for this given, so again, we need to rewrite, put the constant outside. So we have 2 times the integral of x to the power 3 over 2, then the dx, minus 3 over 4 times the integral of x squared, then the dx, minus the integral of x dx, then plus 2 times the integral of the dx. Then plus 1 for the exponents. So we have 2 times x to the power 3 over 2, then plus 1 over 3 over 2, then plus 1, then minus 3 over 4 times x to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, then minus, so we have this x to the power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 because we have this exponent 1. Then plus 2, then the integral of dx, that's x, then plus c. Then to simplify, so this 3 over 2 plus 1, so 3 over 2 plus 1, so we can use cross multiplication. So this one is 3 plus 2 times 1, that's 2, then over, that's 2. So therefore, that's 5 over 2. So we have now 2 times x, 5 over 2 over 5 over 2. Then minus 3 over 4 times, so x to the power 3 over 3. Then minus x to the power 2 over 2 plus 2x, then plus c. Then simplify, so we can find the reciprocal of this 5 over 2. So we have 2 times 2 over 5. Then x to the power 5 over 2. Then minus, so we can cancel this 3. So we have 1 over 4. Then x to the power 3. Then minus, so this one is 1/2 x to the power 2 plus 2x plus c. Then simplify. So this one is over 1. So 2 times 2. This one is 4. Then over 5. Then x to the power 5 over 2. Then minus 1 over 4. X to the power 3 minus 1 half. X to the power 2 plus 2x plus c. So this is now the antiderivative of the given integral. Then for this given, so first we need to rewrite this equation. So we have the integral of 5. Then we need to bring up this x to the power 4. So when you bring up or bring down a variable, the sign of the exponent will change. Since this one is positive, so this becomes x to the power negative 4, then the dx. Then we need to put this constant outside, so the integral of x to the power negative 4, then the dx, then using the formula plus 1 for the exponent, so 5 times x to the power negative 4 plus 1 over negative 4 plus 1, then plus c. Then simplify, so 5 times x, so negative 4 plus 1, this one is negative 3 over negative 3, then plus c. So we have now negative 5 over 3, then x to the power negative 3 plus c. Then to make this exponent positive, so we need to bring down. So we have now this negative 5, then over 3, then bring down x to the power positive 3, then plus c. So this is now the antiderivative. Then for this given, so first we need to rewrite this radical in exponential form. So if we have square root of x in exponential form, this one is x to the power 1 half. If fifth root of x squared, so this is x to the power 2 over 5. So this root is the denominator. So therefore, for this given, so we have the integral of x to the power 1 over 3, then the dx. Then using the formula, so plus 1 for the exponent, so we have x to the power 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1, then plus c. Then simplify, so 1 over 3 plus 1. So cross multiplication, 1 times 1, this one is 1, plus 3 times 1, this one is 3, then over 3 times 3, this one is 3. So therefore, this one is 4 over 3. So we have now x to the power 4 over 3 over 4 over 3, then plus c. Then find the reciprocal. So this one is 3 over 4. That's the reciprocal of 4 over 3. Then x to the power 4 over 3. Then plus c. Then if we want to change this one to radical, so again, this denominator is the root. So we can have 3 over 4. Then the cube root of x to the power 4. Then plus c. So you can have an answer like this or in exponential form.